Welcome to Nawaz Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता आमच्या cooking channelaचेर. And today we are showing you all very simple and very easy avocado shake. And for that you need avocado, and how to cut avocado in this video. We will try to show you how we cut at home. So this is the way you have to cut, and now we will scoop this out. So one avocado, 2 glass to 3 glass, you can make nice thick shake. So just scoop it out and put it in the mixer. So this is the way how we scoop this, and this is my husband's style. He scoops this way. I just love avocados, but it's very expensive, 250 rupees kg, 250 rupiah kilo. Okay, so now we will have to add sugar to this, and our normal shake is ready. So for 2 cups I will add around 6 teaspoons of sugar. So taste is accordingly how much you want to have, less sugar or sugarless or more sugar, it's all up to you. Okay, so now I'll add this exactly like I want 2, so I'll add 2 of this thick milk. Okay, so I've opened another packet because I want 2 cups or 2 glass, you can say. And now I will blend this, and little bit we have kept this, so we will put it later as a garnish, some small pieces. So now here it is. Wow, so creamy, so yum. You have to say something. Oh wow, healthy, very healthy. Please do make this at least once a month and enjoy with your family. 3 glasses I got. So wow. So this is, and so now I will garnish this with like this. Make it little bit. This is mint leaves, okay, I'm putting, and these are some chopped so hope you all will enjoy this avocado shake. म्हणता की तुम्ही सगळी जण आवडटलें हें आनी घरा करून भुरग्यांक तुमी खूद इट्स व्हेरी 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 हेल्दी अँड इट्स यम्मी. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं.